drivers behind the lines. Starting in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
Qualification match 65 underway. It looks like LeTron James V attempted to make a layup in the autonomous period, but unfortunately it bounced off a rebounding note. Meanwhile, on the red side of the field, it looks like the Griffins will narrowly miss that note from the center of the field. Red leading with a score of 16-9 coming out of the autonomous period, as the Blue Alliance attempts to catch up into that score. Thunder Colts dropping off a note into that blue amp. Hurricanes throwing a note up into the blue speaker, as the Red Alliance Team 20 looks to be lining up for an amp score. Kingsman Robotics dropping off a note into the red speaker before picking up yet another note, winding up, and it goes in. Hurricanes matching them with a note of their own before whizzing off to the blue source zone to acquire a note from the human player. Brief collision in the center of the field between the Hurricanes and Kingsman Robotics, each robot looking to score a note into their own speaker. Kingsman does successfully and navigates across the field, followed by their alliance partner, the Griffins. Looks like there is a miss from the Hurricanes, but they got another chance at this. They can pick up a note from the floor and potentially score it. Here comes the Red Alliance swarming the center of the field on their way back to the Red Wing, lining up at the subwoofer, unfortunately with a narrow miss on their speaker. Looks like Team 20 has dropped their note, perhaps lining up for another, setting up their alliance partners for scoring, as the Griffins pick up a drop note from the blue source. Here comes Kingsman Robotics taking advantage of the note that the Rocketeers have dropped, scoring it successfully into that red speaker before picking up another to do it again. Griffins here with another note that goes into that red speaker, which must be overflowing by now. Blue Alliance going for a harmony climb on the left blue stage as high notes go flying in the air in an attempt to spotlight. We have a robot up on red, a robot up on blue. Not quite sure if the Thunder Colts made it up, but we'll find out. Taking home the win with a score of 52-27. The Red Alliance has also earned the Melody bonus ranking point. That's going to bring the entire Red Alliance up into the top 8.